Second opinion, I also have a Kohler 22 horsepower series 7000 KT725, doest want to start unless it's manually turned slightly past TDC. I have installed new battery, new solenoid, new coils, and new starter. Same problem. Acts like a dead battery, but will start if flywheel is turned past TDC. Kohler KT725 22 horsepower, 7000 series engine. Won't crank past TDC. If I turn the flywheel by hand to just past coil number 2, then it will start. New battery, new coils, new starter, and new solenoid. I have reset valve clearance to 0.005, checked spark plug gap, 0.030. There was a reference to ACR, automatic compression release, but I can only see an application in the case series engine.
Hello, my name is I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. The issue that you are having is the normal symptoms of the 7000 series Kohler that need the valves adjusted. You will remove the spark plug and set the engine at TDC.then set your valve to 0.005.
It turns out that the problem was 2 loose magnets on the flywheel. I repaired that and engine started on first crank. Thanks for trying to help.
Glad you found the issue.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.